Hello and welcome back to video 7 for topic 3, networks, and this time we're going to be explaining why protocols are necessary. This is for the IB Diploma in Computer Science. Okay, we're still on topic 3 out of the 4 core units, and here we're on to the second video on the data transmission. Okay, so the objective for this is to understand the importance of protocols in network communication. We're going to learn about key protocol functions, data integrity, flow control, deadlock prevention, congestion control, and error checking. Okay, so first of all, what is a protocol? Well, a protocol is a set of rules, as we've established before, for data communication over a network. Protocols define the format and order of messages exchanged between two or more communicating entities. They dictate the actions taken on the transmission and or the receipt of a message. We covered this in video 6. But now we're going to be looking at the functions of protocols, i.e. data integrity, flow control, deadlock prevention, congestion control, and error checking. So let's start with data integrity. So this ensures the completeness, accuracy, and consistency of data as it travels across the network. Okay, it's without data integrity, information could be corrupted or lost during transmission. Okay, flow control. Now this manages the rate at which data is sent to ensure that the receiver can process it properly. It prevents the sender from overwhelming the receiver, avoiding data loss or delays. We then move on to deadlock prevention. Again, avoids situations where two devices try to use the same resource at the same time, causing a standstill, causing a bottleneck. It prevents the network from freezing and ensuring smooth data flow. We've got congestion control, which is sort of a similar thing. It manages network traffic to avoid congestion, where too much data causes delays and packet loss. Again, the importance of this, it ensures that the network runs smoothly without overloading any part of it. And then finally, we mentioned this briefly again in video 6, error checking. It detects and corrects errors in data as it is transmitted. It ensures that the data received is the same as the data that has been sent, without any mistakes or anomalies. As a reminder, we've got the HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is used for transferring web pages over the internet. And we can define this. It defines how messages are formatted and transmitted, and how web servers and browsers should respond to various commands. So I type in here www.netflix.com. It sends that request to the internet. The internet needs to understand that Netflix.com has got an IP address, so it goes to the web server to retrieve the IP address for that particular website, sends the IP address back across the network, and then these packets are reassembled and the web page can be displayed on the client's browser, okay? Just by simply typing in a web URL such as Netflix.com. In conclusion, and again it's a short video, protocols are necessary to make sure that data is sent and received correctly over a network. They handle everything from keeping data accurate, data integrity, to preventing network jams, congestion control, and without protocols, communication between devices could break down and networks wouldn't function properly. And as always, we have 3 questions. Question 1, define the term protocol in the context of network communication. That's for 2 marks. Describe how the flow control is used in network communication for 3 marks. And finally, explain why error checking is important in network communication, 4 marks. So 3 fairly short questions. If you want to pause the video, have a little go, that's up to you. Otherwise, stay tuned and I'm going to put the answers on. So answer 1. A protocol is a set of rules that govern how data is transmitted and received over a network, ensuring that different devices can communicate effectively with each other. Flow control, this manages the rate at which data is sent over a network to match the receiver's ability to process it. This prevents data loss or delays by ensuring the sender does not overwhelm the receiver. In terms of error checking, it is crucial because it ensures that the data is transmitted without errors. During transmission, data can get corrupted by noise or any other interference. Error checking techniques such as parity bits detect and allow correction of these errors, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the communication. Okay, that is it for video 7. Thank you very much indeed, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.